The cosmic calendar. Time in the ontology of creation. This video explores the cosmic calendar of creation and the metaphysical meaning of time in the hierarchy of existence. Welcome to a journey through the architecture of time itself. In this video, we explore the cosmic calendar, a metaphysical framework that defines the structure of creation, the seven heavens, and the unfolding of divine history. Understanding this calendar is not just a theological exercise. It is essential for grasping the timing of divine events, including the appearance of the Mahdi in Islamic eschatology and the return of Christ in Christian theology. Let us begin by asking, what does God mean by day? What is a day in divine language? In the Quran, the word day is used not to describe a 24-hour period, but to convey a unit of ordered existence. A day is a temporal container, a metaphysical bracket that holds a phase of creation, transformation, or judgment. God speaks of days that last 1,000 years, or 50,000 years, or even less than a blink. This reveals that time itself is layered, and its perception depends on the dimension in which it is experienced. In modern terms, we can think of divine time as a tree-structured data system, like a nested file system or a recursive algorithm. Each day contains sub-days. Each moment is a node in a vast cosmic hierarchy. This structure allows us to drill down into divine time, using metaphysical logic similar to computer science. It also helps us understand how creation unfolded, and where we are now in the cosmic timeline. The two great days of existence. In Islamic theology, life is composed of two great days. The day of creation, the day of resurrection. Everything we experience now is part of the first day. The second day begins when the soul awakens in the fifth dimension, after death. Within the first day, there are 7 sub-days, corresponding to the 7 stages of creation. Let's explore them. The 7 days of creation. Days 1 to 4. The creation of the third dimension, Saturday and Sunday. The creation of the first heaven, our physical universe, begins. Simultaneously, the decree of sustenance is initiated, continuing until Tuesday night. In Christian theology, this phase corresponds to Monday through Thursday. This period marks the formation of the material cosmos, the realm where the soul is imprisoned in the body. Shooting star days 5 and 6. The creation of the fourth dimension, Wednesday and Thursday night. The creation of the second to seventh heavens, surrounding the first heaven, takes place. These layers form the fourth dimension, inhabited by angels, jinn, and ascended souls. In Christian theology, this phase corresponds to Friday and Saturday. Sun face day 7. The beginning of life, Friday. The day of life begins. This is the current day in the Islamic cosmic calendar. In Christian theology, this corresponds to Sunday. This day is divided into 3 cosmic hours: morning, noon, and afternoon. 3 cosmic hours. Morning, the age of the jinn. This was the past, the era when jinn inhabited the earth. Jinn were created from plasma and fire. They caused chaos and bloodshed. Angels descended and expelled them. During this time, Satan was the most devout servant of God. He lived among the angels, though his essence was jinn. He had access to all 7 heavens. But when humans were created, Satan refused to bow. He argued that humans were made of clay, the same substance that jinn had corrupted. God responded, I have breathed my spirit into him. This marked the beginning of the human era. Noon, the age of the prophets. This was the past, from the creation of Adam to the final prophet. Adam was created in paradise, but made of earth. He was pure, without gender or reproduction. But when he disobeyed, his nakedness was revealed. He was cast to earth, where reproduction began. Satan, still alive, began to tempt humanity. Those who followed him would join him in hell. This era saw the rise of prophets, culminating in the prophet Muhammad, who brought the final revelation. Afternoon, the age of imamate and awaited return. This is the present, the current cosmic hour. The Quran was revealed. Jinn were again punished for eavesdropping on angels. The Kaaba was architected in the heavens as Bayt al-Ma'mur. We now await the appearance of the Mahdi, the final guide who will unify humanity and usher in the day of resurrection. This is the hour described in Surah Al-Asr, by the afternoon, truly. Mankind is in loss. Except those who believe, do righteous deeds, and advise each other to truth and patience. This means that today, in cosmic terms, is the afternoon of Friday. The seventh day of creation. In Christian theology, this corresponds to the afternoon of Sunday. The meaning of time in the fifth dimension. When the soul awakens in the fifth dimension, it realizes that 13.8 billion years of cosmic history were just one day. Time collapses. Reality unfolds. The soul carries its spiritual DNA, the record of its earthly life. This determines its path in the afterlife. If righteous, it ascends to paradise. If corrupted, it descends to hell. In both cases, the soul continues its journey through higher heavens. Each tomorrow in the afterlife is a new layer of eternity. Final reflection. Every awakening is a choice. In Islamic mysticism, every awakening, every morning you rise, is a metaphysical moment. You are either still in the afternoon of Friday, awaiting the Mahdi's appearance, or already in the day of resurrection, beginning your eternal life. In Christian mysticism, you are either still in the afternoon of Sunday, awaiting Christ's return, or already in the afterlife, facing your eternal destiny. This is the cosmic calendar. This is the architecture of divine time.